Anytime now. Gates open. That up and racing. Fierce and fiery draws for your lead. Chekong's best running by the rail kick. The can then comes Airway running on the outside. Boss General Mr. Universe second last, while Suerte Lang is running at the tail of the field as they head towards the last 800. Fierce and fiery in command by a length, running by the rail kick. The can getting closer in third. Chekong's best. Airway moving up down on the inside as they round at the last 600 and now heading to the final 450 with Fierce and fiery by about 2 lengths. Running in second, Chekong's best by the rail. He's kicked the can. Airway moving up in between runners as they swing for home with Fierce and fiery still leading the field. Chekong's best is running by the rail second, racing in third is Airway. With 200 meters of the race, it's Fierce and fiery starts to draw away by 6. And finally, it's a wire-to-wire passion for Fierce and fiery second, Airway. Then comes number 6, Chekong's best and Mr. Universe.